Annoyingly, this road won't let me do it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, it's not letting me do it.
Sorry, Derek.
Got reindeers, but how does the Tesla respond to a real reindeer? Meet Snowy. Snowy the reindeer. Good luck, Snowy. Place your bets. What do you think the car is going to think of Snowy?
I think it's not. If it didn't care about Derek, it's not going to care about.
But do you think it will see him?
I think it'll see him because if it sees the cones and it saw the bin.
Oh, poor Snowy.
Yeah. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Picked up a bin. It's not picking up. Oh my god. Oh, there we go.
What was that?
Did for like a second.
What was it?
It looked like some sort of nightmarish creature from Silent Hill or something. Yeah,
there we go.
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh, sorry.
Snowy.
I'm putting him in a Tesla. I thought it was your reindeer.
Oh, it doesn't know which way to put it around. Will it hit it? Oh, it warned.